Hello friends, welcome back to Fix It With Beer. We've got a quick and easy money saver for you today. It's changing the air filter in the old 6.2 liter Chevy / GMC pickup truck. We're gonna get started with the Line of Kugels OG. Thanks to Jake and our good friends up there at Chippewa Falls. We appreciate your work. Happy Sunday, everybody. All right, friends, I picked this up at my favorite auto parts store. It's so easy. You just go up to the counter and you say, hey, this is my truck. This is the air filter I need. And boom, they'll just go pick it up for you. Piece of cake. You can get on that Jungle website and you just type in what you want and they'll tell you if it fits your vehicle. It's so easy. So I got the Micro Guard because it's what they had. I was trying to get a Wix. They didn't have a Wix. I went with the Micro Guard because, hey, this old truck, it doesn't matter. It's quick and easy here, guys. There are 4 little T20 Torx bit screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're just going to take these 4 out, loosen these 4 up, and then we'll be able to swap this filter. This is the only one that's tricky to get to, and if I had a longer handled Torx screwdriver, it wouldn't even be difficult. You just got to work around this radiator overflow hose here. You don't even have to screw these all the way out because I think they kind of stick into the cap. So we're just going to lift this off. The good news is when you get all this free flowing air in here, you're almost guaranteed to get about an extra 13 horsepower and 3 miles to the gallon. Not really. I'm just kidding. You're not going to see any performance change, but I do think it'll run a little bit better. You got to take that one out because otherwise it's going to get hooked on that oil cooler, transmission cooler line. So then you just got to kind of get this kind of up and out of the way. Oh, this thing is really dirty. This might be embarrassing, guys. I haven't changed this in a long time. There we go. Now that we get it out, you can see here, guys, got a little dust and it's pretty dirty way deep in there. It's not terrible. We could hit it with the air compressor, you know, hit it with a little compressed air, but we got the new one. Let's make sure the new one fits before we vaporize that one. I always like to hold them back to back and just make sure they're the same. I think they're the same. This looks like an orange Fram. I don't know what I put in there last time. So, you know what? Look in there, you see the acorns and everything? Maybe we'll just go get that little dust buster and dust bust that out. There might be a rat dropping in there, guys. Holy smokes, who knows what's living up in this thing? Here we go. We're just gonna slide this guy right back in like we found it. And it should just fit in there nice and tight. Got a little extra piece of material there. And then you just got to kind of manhandle this thing a little bit to get your screw holes all lined back up here. But guys, it's just not that difficult. Get the screws started here and get our Torx back in. Where did I put that one extra screw that we took out? Oh, it's right here next to the OG. We had a little rainstorm roll through here just a minute ago. So we're just trying to get this in between raindrops here, guys. Left-handed and a stretch to get out of the way of the camera. All right, guys, like I said, this is quick and easy. This is 20 bucks. I'm sure that the manual probably says you're supposed to change these every 15 or 20,000 miles. I like to check them that often, at least, and depending on how dusty your environment is and how much city driving you're doing, how much dirt road driving you're doing, you got to try to stay on top of it. It's good. This one obviously had been quite some time, so it was time to get rid of this one. Again, you know, these numbers don't mean anything. This is an MGA 42487 if you need the number, but I would just go ask the guy at your parts store which one you need, and they're going to be happy to sell it to you. Everybody, thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you out. Hit that like and subscribe if you haven't done that in a while. Check out some of the other videos if you got the GMC or the Chevy pickups. We got some good Subaru videos on there, a couple good Buick Enclave videos. Everyone loves a Buick Enclave, and some Bronco videos. So check those out. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.